In a recent project, I connected the Xero API to an Excel workbook. In this video, I will demonstrate how to use the workbook I created to request and generate financial reports straight from the Xero API. Hi, welcome to the Data Driven Doc channel. I'm Musa and I will guide you through this video. So now let's dive in. First, download the Excel workbook from my GitHub repository. The link is in the description box. After you download it, don't forget to enable the content and the macros. When you open the workbook, you will see a sheet with 3 buttons. Now each button, of course, will trigger a macro with its own function. Now we will go through each button to see what it does. To use this program, of course, you need a Xero app client ID and secret to access their API. Now you can get this by registering at developer.xero.com and generating the client ID and secret with your account. I won't go into much detail here. Now you can just follow the instructions on their website, and it's quite clear about what you have to do to get the ID and the secret. Once you have the account and you have generated the ID and the secret, you need to take them and input it into the program. There are 2 ways to do this. First, you can input them in a prompted input box that appears whenever you click any button for the first time, or you can paste it straight into the script. For this demo, I will hardcode them to keep it simple and easy. I have made it easy to input the client ID and the secret. You can just find and edit the constants in the Xero API module here. Now you can just view the code and you will find the constants defined at the top of the script. Now we can just paste the values here where we assign the constants inside the quote marks. We're done here and we are ready to move on into the next step. Before generating the reports, first thing you need to do is to log in and authenticate yourself with the Xero API. So just click the button, the login button. After clicking, the macros will open an Edge browser window, taking you to the Xero login page. Enter your Xero credentials, usernames, and passwords. After successful login, Xero will ask for authorization. Now choose an organization and you should grant it access for a connection with the Excel workbook. Now in this demo, just to show you how it works, I will select a demo organization provided by Xero itself, basically having a set of dummy data. Now select the organization you want to have connection with the workbook. In this case, I will select a demo company, and actually I have connected the demo company before, so it shows as already connected. So I can just continue with this one organization, and once you have select, authorize, and continue, and it will redirect you back to the workbook. Once it is successful, you will have a notification showing that the Xero login was succeed. Now you can just close or click OK. Finally, we are ready to call the API and generate financial reports from Xero. Click the Generate Report button to start. A window will pop up asking you to select the report period dates. So now to select the dates, click on the calendar icon next to each input box. For this demo, I will select the 1st June and the end of June. Once you have selected the dates, you can submit it and confirm your selection. The next dialog will ask you to select the Xero organization for the corresponding financial report that we are requesting. The list here only shows the organization you have authorized during the login process. Now, if an authorized organization you are looking for does not appear here, try to click the update button to patch the latest list from the Xero itself. I have selected the demo organization, the demo company. Now I will submit and confirm my selection. The reports are generated in a new sheet. Now it is already formatted as if you have exported the report directly from Xero. And that is all for now. You can find the project files, complete VBA scripts, and the Excel file on my GitHub. The link is in the description. Check it out and please let me know your thoughts in the comments. While the project may seem simple, and I agree that making API requests in VBA is relatively straightforward, the challenging part is actually the authentication process. This is primarily due to OAuth 2 procedures, which are used by Xero, requires browser control that VBA doesn't really support. I have also solved several other problems related to this project. Now I have explained the entire process in full detail with the source code in a blog post on my Medium website, just as you see right now. You will find the link in the description. Now feel free to check it out to find out more information about this project. Thanks for watching this demo. I'm actually considering doing a full tutorial on this project, so let me know if you are interested. Leave likes and comments and I will see how it goes. Thanks, and I hope this was helpful.